There we go, guys. Got everything up and running now. Of course, a big aloha, welcome aboard, and glad to have all of you out flying with us at Blue Hawaiian today. My name is Shay. I will be your tour guide. Did everybody get a chance to get the safety briefing inside? You guys get to watch the whole video in there?
Sure did.
Awesome, perfect. Well, in that case, we'll go check out our little garden island. We'll have the microphones on throughout the flight today, so feel free to use them. I'm going to turn them off just for takeoff and landing because we'll be talking to the air traffic controller, so we'll call them up, get permission to go. They let us go, we'll take off from here, turn it over to the airport. We get up to altitude, we'll bring those microphones back on, so you guys can sit back, relax, enjoy the music, enjoy the takeoff. You're in good hands. I've been flying for a long time. It's going to be pretty for us since we got along today, so feel free to use those cell phones and cameras. Yeah, let's go check out our little garden island. Bring our microphones off there for just a moment.
You think you need, and when you think more than you want, your thoughts begin to bleed. I think I need to find a bigger place, 'cause when you have more than you think, you need more space. Society, you're crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely without me. Society, crazy indeed.
There we go, guys. Just like floating on a magic carpet. And it's up and away like Superman. Or Supergirl if you prefer. United flight coming down on runway 35 on the left over there. There we go, we got those microphones coming on for you now, so feel free to use them. You can use them to talk to each other, makes it nice and easy. Use them to ask me questions. My name is Shay. Yeah, if you want to, Miss Vivian, you can sing right along with the music. We'll do karaoke at 3,000 feet. Oh, perfectly fine. Over everybody's heads this morning, we got air conditioning vents, so you guys reach up, make sure those are open, get a little breeze going across your face, get yourself nice and comfortable. So we do have the comfort bags and the consoles in front of you clearbacks in front of you. Shouldn't be any need for those today. So we're all going to be a nice, smooth flight. Might get the occasional bump or wiggles as we get out in the mountains, but yeah, those are no cause for concern. All perfectly normal. We'll cruise out westbound first this afternoon, our southern shoreline just over the mountains to the left. There's little towns of Poipu and Kaloa on the other side of the mountains there. Little town of Puhi out to the right. Of course, the Hulaia River's a little river on our right side. Haupu Ridge is the ridge on our left. I love this little island though. I think Kauai is just hands down the prettiest of all the islands. It's a little different. Go over to the big island, you can see real life lava. You can see how the islands are born. And Oahu, you get the big city life, big international destination. Kauai is just all this incredible natural beauty. I always feel pretty lucky. I've been on the island for about 5 years now, flying for Blue Hawaiian. I've been flying helicopters professionally for about 14 years. Originally, I'm all the way from Memphis, Tennessee. I actually came out here a few years ago on vacation and liked the island so much, I applied for a job with Blue Hawaiian while I was on vacation from out of job. And it worked out pretty well. Been out here ever since. So we got Miss Vivian and Mr. Ken. How about you two? Where are you guys visited from in the world?
Alabama.
Oh, Alabama back there. First time for you and Miss Kim out to the island for stubbing, or have you guys been out before?
That's my in-laws in Texas. Yes, this is the first time in Hawaii.
First time out for you guys too, Mr. Ken? Awesome. Well, welcome everyone to the Garden Island. I got lots of pretty places to take you guys to today. Truly my privilege and pleasure to share the Garden Island with you. We'll get a little bit of a wiggle over that ridge line in front of us. And I want to bring you down to a pretty valley called Hanapepe. Back to a pretty waterfall called Manawapuna Falls. That's the one that gets the nickname Jurassic Falls, where they filmed the scenes of the helicopter landing in the very first Jurassic Park movie about 26 years ago. So we'll do a little bit of a wiggle as we get in that valley, and as we get back to the falls, we'll do turns, make sure everyone gets a good view. Do that at all the spots we go to today, little turns. So the trick today, see if you can get a selfie with the waterfall in the background as we come flying by. We'll test your selfie skills. There's our main road on Kauai down there to the right. So cars down there. We're about to cross over the tree tunnels down into Poipu. Then down to the Poipu side as we drive through the eucalyptus trees. Motocross track on our left side there. Just surprised nobody's, yeah, probably see some guys out there tomorrow. Way out in front of us we can see a little island out there in the ocean. Looks like a little shadow out there. That's Niihau. That's about 40 miles away from us. Oh, well, we don't see it this far out. But that little island's home to just about 50 native Hawaiians. It's actually kind of a small population because it's kind of hard to live there by modern standards. No electricity, no running water, no cell phone service. A boat comes by every couple weeks to check on the locals, so pretty far off the grid out there. Alright, this little island we'll see off the coast. There's that little wiggle over the mountain. We get quite a bit of rain in the interior of the island, so they kind of take advantage of it. There's a little man-made reservoir up here they'll catch the rainwater, kind of hold it in the reservoir, and as they need it, they'll send it out to the coffee farms on the left, all the dark green fields out on the coast. That's all part of the largest coffee farm in the United States. So it's kind of our big export from the island nowadays is coffee.